Driving can get stressful when little things in your car don't work the way they should, and this can make even simple trips feel frustrating. But life on the road doesn't have to be that way, because there are some smart car gadgets that can make every drive easier, safer, and more fun. Today we'll take a look at the 12 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you didn't know existed, and all the products are linked in the description below. Number 1. Noco Ultra Fast Cordless Tire Inflator, $70. Have you ever been running late for an important appointment and suddenly you noticed you have a flat tire? That kind of situation can be very annoying to say the least. That is why you need this cordless tire inflator. It's battery powered, super portable, and powerful enough to inflate a car tire from 0 to 40 psi in less than no time. It has a digital gauge and auto shutoff, so you set the pressure and it stops by itself. No overinflating and no second guessing. It works for car tires, bikes, sports balls, and even toys. And it recharges with USB-C in about 90 minutes. This little air compressor is one of those tools you don't think you need until the day you really do. Number 2. Wolfbox Pro Mirror Dash Cam, $270. If you drive every day and worry about some crazy driver hitting your car and driving off, worry no more. This Pro Mirror Dash Cam replaces your normal rearview mirror and turns it into a smart safety tool. It records in sharp front 4K and rear 2.5K video, so license plates, faces, and road details don't turn into blurry guesses when you need proof the most. Thanks to the StarViz sensor, night driving is no longer a weak spot because it still captures clear footage even in low light. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and route, and G-Sensor locks important clips during impacts, and loop recording means you never run out of space. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel. Fast Wi-Fi lets you share clips easily, and with the included 120GB card, you're protected right out of the box. Number 3. Technolove Center Console Fridge, $240. If you're tired of warm drinks, melted ice, and food going bad on long drives, this is exactly the kind of product made for you. This center console fridge is a compact car refrigerator that fits neatly in most cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs, yet still holds up to 18 soda cans plus snacks. It cools fast, reaching freezing temperature in just 15 minutes, and can even deep freeze down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So ice cream, frozen meals, or medical supplies stay safe no matter how hot it gets outside. It works in your car, runs quietly, protects your car battery, and uses very little power. Number 4. Emergency car flashlight with seatbelt cutter and window breaker, $20. If you drive often, especially at night, you already know how fast a small car problem can turn into real stress. This emergency car flashlight is made exactly for moments like that. It gives you bright LED light for checking your car, a strong spotlight for seeing far ahead, and a flashing red beacon so other drivers can see you clearly. It also comes with a built-in window breaker and sharp seatbelt cutter, which can help you escape fast during an accident when seconds truly matter. It sticks to your car with magnets for hands-free use, works in rain, survives rough drops, and even comes with batteries ready to go. Number 5. Thickened automotive glass sunshade, $7. Say goodbye to that stuffy air, burning seats, and hot steering wheel every time you open your car on a hot afternoon. This sunshade is made with upgraded Oxford cloth, which blocks strong sunlight and heat way better than those old shiny silver ones, helping keep your car interior cooler and calmer even during peak summer heat. It protects your dashboard, seats, and steering wheel, so they last longer and don't feel like fire. It fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs, installs in seconds, folds easily, and comes with a storage bag. Number 6. Cooling car seat cover, $80. This cooling car seat cover is built for everyday drivers who are tired of feeling overheated the moment they sit down. It uses 10 powerful turbofans to push cool air through the seat and backrest, helping your body stay fresh, dry, and comfortable the entire drive. It plugs into any 12 or 24-volt car, SUV, or truck, And the wireless remote lets you switch between 3 cooling levels without distractions. The breathable 3D mesh keeps airflow steady, while the anti-slip design keeps it firmly in place. Number 7. Wagan Travel Car Heated Mug, $30. Long commutes, road trips, and early morning drives to work already take enough from us. Why add cold coffee to the list? Wagan Travel Car Heated Mug is designed to make sure we at least win in that department. It's very easy to use, just plug it into your car's 12-volt socket or USB-C PD 20-watt charger, and it automatically heats your coffee, tea, or water up to a comfortable drinking temperature, and even keeps it warm after unplugging. It's stainless steel, spill-resistant, fits right in your cup holder, and doesn't slide around while driving. Number 8. Paffinary Large Car Steering Wheel Tray, $36. This steering wheel desk turns your car into a mini office or a clean food table in seconds, whether you're working, studying, or just trying to eat without making a mess. It's extra large, strong enough to hold a laptop or a full meal, and stable enough that nothing keeps sliding around. It also has a phone holder, cup slots, and space for small items, so everything stays where it should. It installs fast, folds away easily, and works in SUVs, trucks, and vans. For busy drivers, delivery workers, travelers, or parents always on the move, this car tray is a must-have. Number 9. Etten-Wolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, $10. If you drive every day and hate that feeling of not knowing whether your tires are actually safe, this small but powerful digital tire pressure gauge will fix that problem for you in seconds. It gives clear and accurate readings from 3 to 200 psi, whether you drive a small car, a pickup, an RV, or a heavy-duty vehicle. It's calibrated to ANSI standards, works in extreme heat or cold, and stays accurate even at very low or high pressure, which most cheap gauges fail at. It uses simple replaceable AAA batteries, has an LED light for dark garages, auto shuts off to save power, and is tough enough to survive being run over. Number 10. Azvej Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer, $29. If you keep losing your phone, coins, or keys between the car seats, then you certainly need this gadget. This car seat gap filler organizer is made to turn that wasted space into something useful, helping you stay calm, focused, and organized on the road. It slides easily between your seat and the center console and gives you a clean storage spot for your phone, wallet, and loose items, so nothing drops or rolls away anymore. What makes this product special is that it does more than store things, because it also comes with wireless charging, 2 USB ports, and 2 retractable charging cables for Type-C and iOS, meaning everyone in the car can charge at the same time without fighting over cables. It fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks, installs in seconds, does not block the seatbelt, and will not scratch your seats. Number 11. Vaharvim Sun Visor Extender, $24. Say goodbye to the sun blocking your eyes while driving. This universal clip-on visor easily attaches to most car sun visors and instantly blocks glare from the sun and reflections from other vehicles or buildings, helping you drive safely without squinting or feeling eye strain. The polarized UV 400 lens also protects your eyes from harmful rays, so you're not just safer, you're healthier too. What makes this visor extender revolutionary is how adjustable it is. You can move it to the perfect angle depending on where the sun is, and when you don't need it, it folds away neatly. It's a simple upgrade that makes every drive easier, safer, and more comfortable for anyone who spends time on the road. Number 12. Car Solar Power Simulated Alarm, $7. If you've ever worried about someone trying to break into your car at night, worry no more. This car simulated alarm is powered by solar energy, so it charges during the day and flashes a bright LED light at night, scaring off potential thieves without any effort from you. No wiring, no complicated setup. Just stick it anywhere in your car with the strong adhesive on the bottom. Also, if it's cloudy or rainy, you can charge it with the USB port and it's ready to go. Small, simple, effective. This little device gives peace of mind and extra security, making it a must-have car accessory for every driver who wants to feel safe and smart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description and pick the ones you need. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch our earlier video, 10 Amazon gadgets that are so useful you'll seriously wonder how you ever lived without them. See you there.